Hey people, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and it's summertime, and if you want to have that golden glow, but you want to avoid the sun because it causes wrinkles, and it's just in general not quite as good for you as you want, and yet you still want that tan because you think it makes you look smarter, cuter, more appealing, taller, thinner, all of the above, you need to check out my list of tanning products right now. These are all my go-tos and I get them all on Amazon. So you wanna get a pen and paper or you can just watch this video on loop. I have an entire list of tanning products that I use, but I'm gonna show you my top 4 right now. Okay, number 1, this is Saint-Tropez SelfTan Mist for your face. It is a light little tanning mist that you just spritz. It smells great. You don't wanna taste it like I just did, but if you do, you're not gonna die. Anyway, it smells great and it does give you a nice golden glow. I use it right before bed. It dries really quickly and you wake up with a beautiful golden glow. Again, Saint-Tropez Mist. Next up, if you want your body to have that golden, beautiful tan and not be orange at all, you need to try this. This is Loving Tan 2-Hour Express. It is a mousse. I have tried every mousse under the sun. There may be even more than one mousse in this list that I'm linking you to, but this mousse rocks. It is at the top of the list, hands down, no doubt, Loving Tan 2-Hour Express in this pink can. Now, if you're gonna get this mousse, you don't wanna apply it with your hands because it's not gonna be applied evenly. Then your fingers are gonna turn brown and orange and it's gonna be crazy. So you want a good tanning glove like this mitt, the one I'm linking you to. It feels soft like velvet and it works so well and it will give you that even glow. This is what you need. Do not try to skip this step. These two things together, fire. And finally, if you don't want to spend as much on that mousse because it is a little pricey, this is an inexpensive product that you can use all over your body that works. It will also give you that nice golden glow. You do need a mitt to apply this one really well as well. This is Quick Tan and it's a tanning lotion and I get it in the color dark. But I love it, it's easy, it's inexpensive, and you will have a beautiful golden glow all summer. Check it out and play again, play again, play again if you didn't get it all. Just keep watching it on loop.